I'm gonna show you how to make the best loaded chicken burger. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making a loaded chicken burger. I'm gonna serve this chicken burger with wings and cheesy fries. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, let's start with our spice mix that we're gonna use to season our chicken as well as the flour. Going with the red chili powder, a bit of this smoked paprika. You could use normal paprika instead. Add a bit more flavor using garlic granules. I like to use some of the mushroom powder as well. Freshly cracked black pepper. Here I've got some of the Cajun seasoning, also some of this chicken seasoning. You could use some chicken powder instead. You could also add some of the white pepper in there. For the herbs I'm using oregano and thyme. And finally with the salt, let's give this a really good mix now. Just set aside for later use. For the chicken I'm using breast that has been sliced in the middle, and it also has been pounded down to even out the shape. Generous amount of seasoning goes on the top. Try to season it from a distance, alright? Give that a tap. And now season it from the other side as well. Trust me when I say this, one of the best chicken burger that you guys gonna try. Alright, so it's been beautifully seasoned. Now we're gonna leave this to marinate for at least half an hour. Now forward dredge in with a plain flour. Add a good touch of salt. And some of our mixed spices. Now you don't have to add too many spices into this. What you can do is when the chicken has been fried, you can sprinkle some there. A really good mix to that, and it's that simple. So one of the toppings that we're gonna be using is cheese sauce. Using it a quarter of a brown onion, you want to finely chop this. Here we go, some of the green pepper. Again, you want to finely chop this. We're going to do the same with the red pepper. And here I've got half a fresh jalapeno. Again, you want to finely chop this. Grab yourself a pan, heat is on medium, add a light touch of oil. And now let's throw in our onions, peppers and jalapenos. You heard that nice sizzle? That's exactly what we're looking for. You want to lightly saute these just for a few minutes. You know, sweat them a bit. And then we're gonna remove it onto your plate now. Now grab yourself another pan in with the evaporated milk. The heat is on low medium. You want to bring that to gentle simmer, and we can add in our American cheese. Also like to use some of the cheddar. Season with a light pinch of salt and some pepper. Make sure to keep stirring it so nothing sticks to the pan, alright? So the cheese has started to melt. We don't want to bring this to boil, alright? Just mix until the cheese has properly combined. Just turn off the heat at this point. We're gonna throw in our cooked onions, peppers and jalapenos now. You know, it's gonna add a really nice texture, and again with our chicken burger it's gonna be so good. Have a little taste and check for any seasoning. That's delicious. Our mouth-watering cheese sauce with onion, peppers and jalapenos. Done. As it cools down, it will thicken a bit more. Alright, before we start coating the chicken, turn up the heat to on medium high. It with a good touch of oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could use any high smoke point oil. You want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius. Make sure to maintain this temperature when you're cooking the chicken. Alright, so let's coat the chicken now. Here I've got some of the cold tap water, our seasoned flour, our chicken obviously, which is at room temperature, and I've also got here some of the wings. You know, if you want, you can use some tenders as well. Alright, so this is how we're gonna coat the chicken. First, the chicken is gonna go into the seasoned flour. Now you want to coat it from all sides properly. Shake off the excess flour, and this goes into the cold tap water. Don't worry, you won't remove any of the seasoning. Just leave it there around for 11 to 12 seconds. Carefully remove the chicken and get a good coat of that. Now again, you want to shake off the excess, and this goes back into the water. Again, we're going to remove that back into the flour, and now we're going to give this a proper coat. Really press onto that fillet. You know, look at the movement that I'm doing. Alright, and just grab the fillet, shake off the excess. That's exactly what we're looking for. Start placing it onto a plate. Do the same with your next fillet. Exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil, always away from you. Keep it there for a few seconds, and there we go. We're going to let this cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius and we have a nice beautiful golden brown color. Alright, so our chicken is beautifully cooking, We're getting a nice golden brown color. That's exactly what we're looking for. Another minute or so and then we're going to remove it. I want to drain off the excess oil, alright? Remove it onto a rack and let the excess oil drip. It looks so nice and crispy, And before you fry the next batch, it's always best to clean the oil. So the wings are ready as well. Let's try removing them. So nice and crispy. Exactly what we're looking for. Once you remove the chicken, you need to add some of those spices that we made earlier on. Have a mouth-watering crispy chicken burger. Done. Another topping that we're gonna add is some of the smoked turkey. Pan is nice and hot and with a good touch of oil. And with your smoked turkey. You want to let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Until nice and golden brown, alright? Make sure to turn them occasionally. Wow, they're making a lot of sound, eh? Just watch out your eyes, you don't want your eyes to pop out. We're gonna start removing them, alright. Alright, let's assemble our loaded chicken burger now. Grab your toasted bun. Going with some of the normal mayonnaise, just gonna spread it around. Some of the lettuce mixed with some of the coleslaw. Adds a bit of sweetness. I like to use some of the pickles, of course. Has a really nice flavor. Our crispy chicken fillet goes on the top. On that, I like to add some of the spicy sauce. There's a recipe on the channel. On that, we're gonna throw in some of our cheese sauce. Looks so good, Few slices of our smoked turkey. A little bit more sauce. Some of this garlic mayonnaise. And finally our top of the bun. Doesn't that look delicious? Serving it with some of the seasoned fries. And some of our delicious cheese sauce on the top. Our mouth-watering loaded chicken burger. Done. Trust me, you guys gonna really enjoy with your family and friends. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so mouth-watering. Let's try some of our fries first. Bismillah. Wow, these are so delicious along with the cheese sauce, Perfect, trust me. Alright, on to our loaded chicken burger. Nice turkey, pickles, coleslaw, lettuce, cheese sauce. Bismillah. Wow. That is so delicious. The turkey and the cheese sauce, adds a lot of flavor. That is just on another level, There is so much flavor in this. And all these different ingredients, really appreciate the chicken burger. Honestly, one of the best chicken burger that you guys gonna try. I really hope you guys enjoyed this loaded chicken burger. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.